Okay, here we go. Okay, tell me about what you made here. Let's
I
hear
made
this.
something.
Well, show it to
It's
everybody.
a spacesuit.
You made a what?
Spacesuit.
A spacesuit.
Okay, it's
Is
for
that
my.
a man's spacesuit or a woman's spacesuit?
I don't know. Beats me.
Oh, come on, explain it.
It's for my finger.
It's for your finger. Oh, wow, you put your finger in there?
Yeah, and then it cuts off your finger.
Cuts off your finger. Oh, wow.
And then
You
your
know
dog
somebody
eats
that
it.
cut his finger off, right?
Yeah, and then his dog ate it.
Oh, how did he cut his finger off?
Yeah, it was chopping wood and then it cut off it.
He was chopping wood and cut off his finger?
Yeah.
You know, I've been in woodwork for many moons. Many moons.
Many
And
moons.
suns, too. And Mars, even. And I have all my fingers.
Wow.
The
Wow.
secret is you never put your left hand in front of the instrument of cutting. I did that once when I was little. I played with my father's chisel, and I still have the scar here from where I put the chisel into my finger.
He put a chisel into his finger.
Right. And I have a
Right.
scar here
He has a
from
scar
a
there.
dovetail saw
He has a dovetail saw.
that went astray. And if it was a Japanese saw, it would have cut my hand off.
It
So-
went like this.
The secret is you never put your hand in front of the cutting tool.
I'll put my hand in the front of the
Yeah. Anyway, that's lugubrious.
That's lugubrious.
Yeah. Are you lugubrious or obstreperous?
I'm obstreperous.
That's what I thought, yeah. Every morning you're solely obstreperous.
I'm solely obstreperous.
Ignominiously, I might add.
Ignominious. What the heck does ignominious mean?
It means, you know, those little people that run around at night when you're sleeping under the bed.
Mm-hmm. 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 I hear mommy.
If
Why?
I shook your tree, how many nuts would fall out?
I think your numbnuts would fall out.
Oh, it missed the numbnuts to you.
I miss the numbnuts.
Oh, man. How can only one person own the Monopoly game?
How?
It's out of the question. Out of the question.
I understand that one.
Yeah, well, sorry I missed you, but my aim's getting better.
Is
Yeah. You know, you're
How
slicker
much-
than linoleum than cat poop on linoleum.
I poop on you.
Actually, one of the speakers was.
Uh-oh, mommy's here.
Who was the.
Now we're in trouble.
Uh-oh. Ah, there she is.
And Rose.
Don't touch the screen. Get your finger on the corner.
Crack my knuckles. Crack my knuckles.
Crack your knuckles.
I'm gonna crack.
Mommy, he likes to have his knuckles cracked.
Oh, I don't use that program.
Yeah.
Why are your hands so scaly?
Because they're scary.
What have you been doing? Playing mud pies?
What?
You've been playing with mud pies?
No, but I have been in mud.
You've been playing in mud. Yeah, that's what I
No,
thought.
I was rolling in mud.
Rolling in mud.
Like pigs.
Wow, that's amazing.
It's amazing.
No, you're not even a porta potty at a peanut festival. Ow,
That's a paragraph.
Well, she
it is a
did
paragraph.
contact
That's a paragraph.
It's a paralegal.
had some input this time, so the sooner the better, because, you know, it's at the time where we could think about and make some money.
What?
You say
And then what you
Yeah, no, you don't want to talk about Einstein again.
Yes, I do.
You do?
Uh-huh.
need credit, you need to
Well,
rely on the bottom of that.
They told Einstein he couldn't, and look what happened to him.
He died.
So can you send me about that to the other person?
That's disgusting.
I don't know this.
You've never been so insulted in my life.
It's humiliated, not insulted.
No, it's humiliated. Okay, I've never been so humiliated in my life.
Yes, you have.
You know, you besmirched my good name.
You don't have a good name.
Finally, you got that joke right.
Yeah,
I'm gonna have to kiss you now. Where's my handkerchief?
I hate it.
You hit it.
I hate it.
How am I gonna blow my nose? I have to blow my nose on you.
Blow my nose on the money that my nose runs.
If you had money running out of your nose, I'd blow it on you.
Uh-oh.
Man. You know, my father was so cheap that somebody came and knocked on the door and asked him for a donation for a community pool. You know what he did?
No.
He gave him a glass of water.
That's not a community pool, is it?
No. How are you going to learn how to swim in a glass of water?
I don't know.
Well, I think we've had about enough of this.
Me too. And today we don't even have to say we're hungry for potato eggs.
Today is a beautiful spring day.
And we get to sail.
And you know what?
And we get to sail our boat today.
No, well, we got to look for the Easter Bunny.
We gotta look for the Easter Bunny.
Yeah,
Why?
you know where the Easter Bunny gets his eggs from?
Yeah, the eggplant.
Eggplant. That's right. Okay. I think we're gonna have to. I think we're gonna have to go now
Yep.
because it's too nice outside.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye. Bye, everybody.